Hello everybody. In today's lesson we are going to use the interaction pane to develop an algorithm to flip a coin that we'll then use in a coin flip game that we'll develop later in one of the next sessions. So if you don't have Dr. Java open, go ahead and open it and click on the interactions pane. The interactions pane allows you to develop very basic formulas that you can then later incorporate into your games or simulations. So a coin is a two-sided object that's been used in games of chance for many thousands of years in different societies, and the game usually depends on whether somebody flips heads or tails, or the picture on one face versus the picture on the other face. So we need to develop an algorithm that will randomly choose either heads or tails for us. And the math.random class allows us to do this. So if we type in math.random, open and close parentheses, and hit enter, notice that we get a decimal of 0.537 and a number of other digits. If we do it again, it will give us a different value, and if we do it once more, a still different value. So the random class gives us a value between 0.0 and 0.99, and notice that it does not ever reach 1, and this is important a little bit later on for developing our algorithm. So what we really want to do is we want to get a 1 or a 2 when we flip the coin. Maybe the 1 stands for the heads and 2 stands for the tails. So we're really not concerned with all these other digits, so we can do math.random, and then we can multiply by the number of chances that we have. We have 2 chances. So we're either going to get heads or tails. If we had a 6-sided dice, we would multiply by 6, so we get 1 of 6 chances. So now I'm getting 1.1, and if I do this simple math formula again, it gives me an error, and I spelled something wrong, so we'll type it in again. It's very important not to get frustrated if you get errors and try to logically solve them, because you'll always be getting an error or two at some time when you're developing a program. So this time it gave us 0.903, and we'll do it one more time for a third example. And this time it gave us 1.3. So again, by multiplying by 2, we're getting an answer from 1.0 to 1.99. So this causes us a problem because we can never get to that 2 that we need. So another thing that we can do is we could add 1 to the end. So if we do math.random and we put it inside parentheses, so math.random, and multiply it by 2 and close parentheses, this gives precedence to the information inside the parentheses, and then we'll go and add 1 to the end. And now we're getting 2.2, and if we hit the up arrow again on your keyboard, it will actually put the same information in that was previously at the prompt, and we can just hit enter again a few times to see what kind of values we're getting. So here we're getting 1.895. We'll hit the up arrow again, and we're getting 2.6, and we're getting 1.8. So now we're getting either 1 or 2. Now we don't need the trailing information after the decimal point. So now we can cast our result as an integer, and this will truncate the decimals and give us either a 1 or a 2. So we will do int, and that's in open and close parentheses, and then we'll do our math.random, and we'll multiply it by the number of chances we have, and then finally we will add 1 to our result. And now if we hit enter, we get 2, and if we hit the up arrow again and hit enter, we get 1. We'll do a few more of these to show you as an example. We have 1, 2, 1. And so you can see now we have a basic mathematical algorithm for flipping a coin, and we will insert this into our coin class in the next lesson. Have a good day. Bye.